okay. And now the last thing which is left is the deleting a post. Okay, so for deleting a post we have to create one more file with a name called delete.php. Click on new file and then save it as delete.php. And then I will include a file config/db.php. okay, and then okay, so now here inside my index.php I already linked the id to this delete button. So whenever user click on this delete link, a request will be sent to delete.php. okay, so now I will get the id of that post here inside my delete.php. First $id $_get id. okay, and now let's echo this id, save it. okay, so now let's refresh. okay, so when I click on this delete, a request will be sent to delete.php file with that id, and I am receiving that id here, and this is the id that you can see here. I am displaying that id. So now let's click on third post. okay, so here I am displaying third post id. okay, so now let's delete it. $sql delete from table, which is posts. okay, where id equals to $id. okay, and then empty, and I'll use my PDO object, prepare using prepare statement. will pass my SQL query and then I will execute it. So while executing, I will check whether the statement gets executed successfully or not. If the statement gets executed successfully, okay, then I will redirect the user to location called index.php. okay, so here I am getting the id of that post, and with the help of that id I am running a delete query where I am mentioning the id of that post to which I want to delete. okay, and then I am passing that SQL to my prepare statement, and then I'll executing this statement. If the query or the statement gets executed successfully, that means when the record gets deleted from the table, then I'll be redirected directly to my index.php file. Now save it. okay, now let's refresh. okay, now let's click on this third post, delete it. okay, so now you can see the third post automatically gets disappear from my table, and now when I click on this table or database table, you can see we are left with only 4 records. okay, so now if I want to delete the second post, see, second post also gets deleted from the table, and that post also gets deleted from my MySQL table as well. okay, so this is how we can develop the functionality of creating, reading, updating and deleting records from the MySQL table using PHP PDO. okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope you got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. okay, and thanks for watching.